It saved Apple, built GM, and will make Tesla continue to lead. Product range architecture. Imagine this. It's the late 1990s. Apple is struggling. Its products are scattered, confusing, and sales are plummeting. Consumers don't know what to buy, and investors are losing hope. Then, a quiet revolution begins. A strategy called product range architecture. Suddenly, Apple's products make sense, sales soar, and the company is reborn. But this isn't just an Apple story. GM, Tesla, and countless other giants use the same principle. And it's the key to winning markets today. 1. What is product range architecture? At its core, product range architecture is the art and science of designing a company's products in a way that makes them cohesive, scalable, and appealing. Think of it as the blueprint of a product family. It answers questions like, which products should a company offer? How should they be related to each other? What features should be shared or unique? For example, Apple didn't just make a computer, a phone, and a tablet. They created an ecosystem where each product complements the other. iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Apple Watch, all fitting together seamlessly. This structure reduces confusion, maximizes customer loyalty, and makes production more efficient. GM used a similar approach, grouping cars into clear segments, luxury, mid-range, and economy, while Tesla uses it today to expand its electric vehicle lineup without losing focus. 2. How Apple survived. In the 1990s, Apple had dozens of computers, each slightly different, confusing customers and retailers. Jobs returned in 1997 and applied product range architecture. He simplified the lineup into a clear 2x2 grid, consumer versus professional, desktop versus laptop. This simplicity did 3 things. Clarity for customers. Buyers instantly knew which products suited them. Efficiency for production. Apple could focus on quality rather than dozens of models. Brand power. Every product felt like part of a family, boosting loyalty. Then, Apple extended the architecture to other products. iPod, iPhone, iPad, each sharing design language, software integration, and ecosystem benefits. By 2007, Apple wasn't just surviving, it was dominating tech markets worldwide. Without a well-planned product architecture, Apple might have remained a niche computer company. Instead, it became a trillion-dollar brand, proving that the way products are structured can be more important than the products themselves. 3. GM's empire. GM's story is different, but equally powerful. In the early 20th century, GM realized that one-size-fits-all cars wouldn't work. Enter product range architecture. GM divided its vehicles into distinct layers: Chevrolet for affordability, Pontiac for style, Buick for comfort, and Cadillac for luxury. Each brand had a clear target audience, price range, and purpose. This architecture helped GM dominate the market across every customer segment, allowed shared platforms and parts, cutting production costs, made it easy for customers to upgrade within GM as they grew wealthier. This approach didn't just sell cars. It created a system where GM's lineup made sense. Every car had a role, and the brand became synonymous with choice and reliability. Even when competitors tried to copy, GM's architecture gave it an edge. It's a reminder, a smartly designed product range isn't just a strategy, it's a market fortress. 4. Tesla's future-proof strategy. Now let's jump to Tesla, the poster child for modern innovation. Tesla's lineup seems simple, Model S 3XY, but underneath lies a sophisticated product range architecture. Elon Musk has a plan. Each car shares key components: battery packs, software, AI systems. Variations target different audiences: performance, affordability, utility. Expansion into trucks, SUVs, and possibly compact cars is seamless because the architecture supports modular growth. Why does this matter? Tesla can scale quickly without reinventing the wheel. Every new model leverages existing tech, reducing cost and development time. Customers also get a clear sense of the Tesla family, Whether buying an entry-level Model 3 or a luxury Model S, they know what to expect in terms of quality, software, and innovation. This is why Tesla continues to lead in EV technology. Its product range architecture isn't just a design principle, it's a competitive moat. Companies that try to expand without this strategy often confuse customers, overextend resources, and falter. 5. Key principles of product range architecture. What makes a great product range architecture? Here are 5 principles. Clarity. Every product should have a clear purpose and audience. Scalability. Architecture should support growth without chaos. Shared components. Reduce costs and streamline production. Customer journey focus. Products should encourage upgrades and loyalty. Consistency, design, software, and brand language should feel unified. These principles aren't just corporate jargon. They're the reason Apple, GM, and Tesla thrive. When executed well, architecture becomes invisible to customers, but it drives efficiency, loyalty, and market dominance behind the scenes. 6. Why it matters today. In today's fast-paced markets, companies face immense pressure. Technology evolves overnight, customer expectations shift constantly, and global competitors are always ready to take your spot. In such a world, a well-structured product range isn't just helpful, it's survival. Without coherent product architecture, chaos quickly takes over. Customers get confused by too many options. Production costs spiral out of control, and market share slips right through a company's fingers. Imagine a smartphone company trying to launch 50 different models in a single year. Inventory nightmares, marketing confusion, and frustrated customers would be inevitable. Now contrast that with Apple, which focuses on just 4 key models, each carefully designed to complement the others. The result? Clear choices for customers, streamlined production, and a loyal fan base that trusts the brand. This is why product range architecture is more than just a business task. It's the backbone of growth. It shapes innovation, guides decision-making, and builds loyalty that lasts for decades. Companies that ignore it risk losing direction, while those that embrace it, like Apple and Tesla, turn structure into a powerful competitive advantage. 7. Lessons for entrepreneurs and startups. Even small startups can learn from Apple, GM, and Tesla. Start simple. Don't launch too many products at once. Plan for growth. Design products that can evolve into a family. Think ecosystem. Make products complement each other, even digitally. Consistency is key. Customers notice design, usability, and messaging. A startup with a clear product range strategy can punch above its weight, attract loyal customers, and scale faster than competitors. It's not just for tech giants, it's a universal business truth. Conclusion. Product range architecture isn't just a strategy, it's a secret weapon. It saved Apple from collapse, transformed GM into an empire, and keeps Tesla at the cutting edge of innovation. It's about more than products. It's about clarity, efficiency, loyalty, and vision. The next time you admire a company's lineup, remember, behind every successful product family lies a well-planned architecture. It's the invisible force shaping markets, delighting customers, and building legacies. If you want your company or brand to grow, start thinking like Apple, GM, and Tesla. Design your product range not just to sell, but to dominate. Because in business, structure isn't just strategy, it's power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more.